Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll discuss an essential topic for all digital marketers: the 7 C's of digital marketing. These 7 C's provide a framework to help businesses plan and execute successful digital marketing strategies. So, let's dive right into it. The initial letter C symbolizes the importance of the customer. Identifying your target audience is crucial in digital marketing. Start by understanding their preferences, interests, and behaviors. Let's look at 2 real-life examples of companies successfully implementing this step. Example 1. Nike has mastered the art of understanding their target audience. They conduct extensive market research to identify the needs and interests of their customers. By doing so, they can create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with their audience. Whether it's their running shoes or sportswear, Nike knows how to target customers with the right message. Example 2. Netflix is another company that excels at understanding its customers. They use data analytics to gain insights into viewers' preferences and viewing habits. This allows them to recommend personalized content to their subscribers, increasing customer engagement and satisfaction. By continually analyzing customer data, Netflix stays ahead of the competition and delivers a tailored experience to each user. They are moving on to the second C, which is context. Understanding the broader context in which your digital marketing efforts operate is essential. Let's explore real-life examples of companies that have successfully utilized this step. Example 1. Coca-Cola is a prime example of a brand that understands the importance of context. They adapt their marketing campaigns to suit different cultures and regions worldwide. For instance, they create contextually relevant advertisements that resonate with local traditions and celebrations during festive seasons. By doing so, Coca-Cola establishes a solid emotional connection with its target audience. Example 2. Airbnb is known for its contextual marketing approach. They use location-based targeting to provide personalized recommendations to users. Airbnb utilizes the user's travel destination and personal preferences to provide tailored advice for accommodations and experiences. This enhances the user experience and increases the likelihood of conversions. Let's now talk about the third C, which is content. Creating high-quality and relevant content is vital to engaging your target audience. Here are some real-life examples of companies that have excelled in this aspect. Example 1. GoPro is renowned for its captivating content marketing strategy. They encourage users to share their adventure videos captured with GoPro cameras. GoPro establishes a deep emotional bond with its audience by carefully selecting and showcasing its users' content on its website and social media channels. This user-generated content serves as powerful testimonials and inspires others to use GoPro products. Example 2. Red Bull is a brand that knows how to create engaging content that resonates with its audience. They sponsor extreme sports events and capture stunning videos and images. Red Bull shares these adrenaline-fueled stories through their online platforms, captivating their target audience of adventure seekers and sports enthusiasts. Their content entertains and reinforces Red Bull's brand identity as an energy-boosting beverage. Now, let's direct our attention to the fourth C channel. Utilizing various digital marketing channels is crucial in effectively reaching and engaging your target audience. Here are two examples of companies that have successfully implemented this step. Example 1. Apple is known for its omni-channel marketing approach. Consistency is vital in messaging and branding on all digital platforms, from their website to their social media channels and email marketing campaigns. Apple maintains a consistent presence across various channels, guaranteeing a smooth, unified user experience. This approach ensures that customers consistently receive the brand's message, regardless of the channel they engage with. Example 2. Starbucks has mastered using social media channels in its digital marketing strategy. They actively engage with their customers on platforms like Instagram and Twitter, responding to comments and sharing user-generated content. Starbucks also runs social media contests and campaigns to encourage customer participation and generate buzz around their brand. By leveraging these channels effectively, Starbucks strengthens its brand loyalty and drives customer engagement. Community is the fifth C. Building a solid online community around your brand can foster trust, loyalty, and word-of-mouth success. Let's explore some real-life examples of companies successfully implementing this step. Example 1. LEGO has built an incredibly engaged online community through its LEGO Ideas platform. Users can submit their own LEGO designs on this platform, with the potential to become official LEGO sets if they gain enough support from the community. LEGO has succeeded in building a dedicated community that passionately engages in product development and promotion by actively involving its fans in the creative process. Example 2. Sephora has created an active online community through its Beauty Insider program. By joining this program, members can enjoy various exclusive benefits, including early access to new products, unique birthday gifts, and personalized recommendations tailored just for them. Sephora encourages community engagement by providing forums for members to share beauty tips and product reviews and connect. This sense of community fosters customer loyalty and enables word-of-mouth recommendations. Let's now delve into the sixth C. Communication. Effective communication is crucial in building relationships with your target customers. Let's explore some real-life examples of companies that excel in this aspect. Example 1. Zappos is known for its exceptional customer service and communication strategy. They prioritize providing personalized communication options for customers, including live chat, email, and social media. Zappos' exceptional customer service representatives are dedicated to surpassing expectations to offer prompt assistance and swiftly resolve issues, thus cultivating solid and lasting customer relationships. Example 2. Amazon has mastered the art of communication through email marketing. They send personalized product recommendations based on customers' browsing history and previous purchases. Amazon also utilizes order confirmation emails to cross-sell or upsell related products. By tailoring their communication to individual customers' preferences and behaviors, Amazon enhances the overall customer experience. Finally, we should discuss the seventh C. Conversion. Conversions are a vital indicator of success in digital marketing. Here are some examples of companies that have effectively maximized conversions. Example 1. Booking.com is a company that excels in converting website visitors into customers. The use of persuasive design elements, like scarcity tactics, only one room left, is quite effective. We incorporate social proof to create a sense of urgency and motivate quick bookings by displaying messages like, 20 other people are currently viewing this property. Additionally, Booking.com simplifies the booking process with a user-friendly interface and offers flexible cancellation policies, reducing barriers to conversion. Example 2. HubSpot is a leading provider of inbound marketing software. They offer valuable resources like ebooks, webinars, and templates in exchange for visitors' contact information. HubSpot generates leads and nurtures them by providing valuable content upfront through targeted email marketing campaigns. This conversion-focused approach has made HubSpot a trusted resource for marketers worldwide. So there you have it. The 7 C's of digital marketing, accompanied by awe-inspiring real-life examples of companies that have flawlessly embraced every step. Incorporating these strategies into your digital marketing plan allows you to create cohesive campaigns that engage your target audience effectively. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found this information valuable in enhancing your digital marketing efforts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you next time.